What's going on, everybody? It's Shamarcus, and on this video, I'm going to go over the basics of government contracting, right? Uh, so I had a friend that wanted me to go over more of the basics of government contracting and what would they would need and things of that nature. So I've said, okay, I'll go over it. This will be a 10-part video series. The first video will go over everything that we'll talk about in the videos 2 through 10. It'll also give you a rough outline of what I'm going to talk about in this 10-part series, and it'll give you a bird's eye view of everything that I'm looking to teach you in these couple of videos. If you're new to the field, this would be a good video for you to start off with because I'll go over a couple key concepts and things about government contracting that I wish I knew when I first started. This is a bird's eye view of government contracting. If you would like to go on a deeper dive, then there's a link in the description below that has the class that I teach. Also, it has a time that we can set a one-on-one if you really want to know more about government contracting and how we could help your business succeed in government contracting. First off, what is government contracting? Government contracting is just the government needs something and they're going to put out a contract for somebody to help them fulfill that need. Here on my channel, here with me, I actually only focus on product contracts. That means no services. I know how to do services, but I choose not to. Products or what for me the easiest and best way into getting started with government contracting. So again, government contracting is just the government, whether it's any level, wants to buy something and they want to get someone to fulfill that need. Why is government contracting a big deal? Man, they pay. That's first and foremost, they pay. Also, they have specific things that they want, and they buy everything, like everything. Like I put in a bid for egg crates, like egg crates. I didn't have an egg crate. I don't know how to make an egg crate. None of those things. But all the stuff that I will teach you is how to not house any products and still be able to supply the government whatever it is that they need. So let's talk about the key areas of government contract. First, you have your federal, your state, your local levels, right? Those are your three main levels. There's other levels that we can go into that I actually go into in the class that I teach, but those are going to be your three main levels of government: your federal, your state, and your local. In another class, I'll go into more detail with that as well. But for this video's purpose, those are your three main areas of government. So to register, somebody asked me, hey man, I want to get started. Where do I register at? I will go over in another video where to go register at, but just remember, you want to register for federal level first. Then you want to go down and down and down, right? Whenever you are registering for the federal, there are things that need to be in place before you actually register, right? Your business needs to be a LLC or incorporation or a sole prop, which I don't recommend sole props. I always say go with your LLC and above in order to start selling to the government. So also in these videos, we're going to go over what type of contracts, whether it's a IDIQ, RFP, RFI, all of those things. And a couple other videos I'll go over what those are and how to look for those as well. What those words mean, things of that nature. Also, I won't go into profit margin as much. I typically go over that in class. I'll give you a bird's eye view of it. We actually have a strategy in the class that we teach. You want to be in the range. You don't want to be too high. You don't want to be too low. But that's something that we actually teach in the class. So again, if you want the class, it's a link in the description in order to go and check out the syllabus. Also the things that we'll teach in that class. If you found this video helpful, hey man, like, subscribe, check out more. I will be adding on the rest of the videos day by day. That's going to go into more depth. This video is mainly a bird's eye view of what the whole uh, 10 videos will be talking about. We'll start off first with understanding government contracting. That will be the next video. I'll go into a more bird's eye view of that as well. The next video will be where to register at. Like I said earlier, there are a couple places that you want to register just to get your feet in the door. The next video will probably be going over how to find government contracts. I'll go over how to find them and where to find some low-hanging fruit, as they say. The next video after that, I'll go over how I write proposals with the product side. We'll go into detail about that. The next video after that will be understanding contracts. That'll be when I tell you about the RFI, the RFQs, most common things that you're going to encounter. More of a bird's eye view as well of that. The next video after that will be small business set-asides. I'll go into what are small business set-asides, how they help you, and how to use those to your advantage as well. The video after that, I will go into the day-to-day task of what it looks like in order whenever you do start government contracting, what you should be doing every day or every other day in order just to become more successful. The video after that will go over leveraging technology and how to leverage technology with your government contracting. We'll go over a couple things in that, something really light, not too in depth. Like I said, on the class, we go way more in depth on all of these things. The video after that will probably be 9. That will be just a couple keys of being successful, what you should do in order to become successful in government contracting. And then the last video is a video that I really wish I had when I was first starting, was some things that you can avoid, some common pitfalls. I'll go over some things that you should avoid whenever you do start getting in government contracting, because there are a lot of things that I wish I would have knew when I first started and before I got my mentor. And I always tell everybody, hey, get you a mentor, man. Get you somebody that's actually doing this every day, and learn from their mistakes. That's the biggest thing that's the biggest reason to get a mentor, is because they've probably made a whole bunch of mistakes and you want to be able to not make those same mistakes. And when I tell you my mentor was probably the best thing that happened to me when I on this journey, he helped me out with so many things in order to get where I'm at now. Again, if this is something you're into, stay tuned to the next video, and I'll put out the next video here in a little while. And if you like it, like, subscribe, share, do all of these things. I'm just trying to help other small businesses get started in government contracting. I found out that this is one lucrative, but a lot of people don't know about government contracting or if they can even start. So my goal here is to help you get started in government contracting, let you know that this is something you can do, whether you're doing it part-time or full-time, because the product side is more, you can do that on a part-time basis if you like. Um, you won't get your best results that way, but you can still do it. Services, again, that's why I don't do services, because you have to actually be there. But that's on to another video. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.